Smart IELTS Prediction and Last-Minute Strategies. 14th November 2025, IDP and British Council. Before you start, join our Telegram group for daily speaking and writing updates, reading PDFs and listening audios from recent exams. Practice complete CBT listening tests on our YouTube channel. Visit our websites for Band 9 essays, cue cards and mock tests. www.ieltsonestop.com, www.ieltsonestopcbt.com. Reading, Trends and Smart Tips. Updated reading tips for 14th November. Read headings and subheadings carefully, they reveal the main idea. Focus on transitional words like however, in contrast and therefore, they guide logic. Pay attention to chronological markers, e.g., firstly, later, in recent years, to locate time-based details. Identify synonyms and paraphrases. IELTS loves using similar meaning words. Don't spend more than 90 seconds per question. Move on and return later if unsure. Watch for negatives and qualifiers, e.g., not always, rarely, only a few. Manage your time. Spend 20 minutes on each passage. Likely academic reading passages. 1. Andrea Palladio, Italian architect. Architecture, History and Cultural Heritage. 2. The Future Never Dies. Philosophy, Human Progress and Technology. 3. Pottery Production in Ancient Akrotiri. Archaeology and Ancient Civilizations. 4. Facial Expression 1. Psychology and Nonverbal Communication. 5. Language Strategy in Multinational Company, Business Communication and Globalization. 6. Bird Migration 2. Environment, Science and Ecology. Likely GT reading topics: Office Communication and Internal Memos, Travel Insurance and Complaint Letters, City Council Updates and Route Announcements, Job Advertisements and Company Guidelines, Volunteer and Charity Newsletters. Practice real reading tests. www.ieltsonestop.com. Listening, Expected Sections and Strategies. Smart listening tips for 14th November. Skim the question sheet before the recording starts. Know what to listen for. Listen for numbers, addresses and dates. They often appear early. Be cautious with self-corrections. Oh, sorry, I meant. Use capital letters for all answers. Focus on tone and emphasis. Stress often indicates the correct answer. Predict before you hear, especially for forms or completion tasks. Review answers quickly during breaks. Expected listening pattern. Section 1. Hotel booking or travel inquiry. Section 2. Local project announcement or park renovation. Section 3. Student discussion on a science or design project. Section 4. Lecture on architecture, human psychology or environment. Practice CBT listening tests. www.ieltsonestopcbt.com. Writing, Task Predictions and Strategies. Smart writing tips for 14th November. Always outline your ideas before writing. Use topic sentences to introduce each paragraph clearly. Avoid memorized templates. Use natural connectors instead. Add specific examples of facts to strengthen your argument. For Task 1, highlight overall trends first. For Task 2, balance both views if possible. Maintain formal tone and academic vocabulary. Use complex structures carefully. Accuracy matters more. Academic Task 1 predictions. Bar chart, energy sources or household spending. Line graph, population or technology growth. Table, education and employment statistics. Process diagram, product manufacturing or recycling. Map, urban redevelopment. Academic Task 2 predictions. The role of art and architecture in preserving culture. Globalization and its effect on cultural identity. Influence of technology on workplace communication. Government role in protecting the environment. Aging population and care facilities. Social topic. General training letter predictions. Request for information or service feedback. Apology for missing an appointment. Complaining about faulty products. Letter to a manager suggesting improvements. Thank you letter to a neighbor or colleague. Free Band 9 samples. www.ieltsonestopcbt.com. Speaking, updated cue cards and tips. Speaking tips for 14th November. Start naturally. Well, to be honest, or actually that's an interesting question. Use emotion and storytelling. It shows fluency and confidence. Include connectors like to be more specific. In other words, apart from that. Use time phrases like a while ago, recently, back when I was in college. Paraphrase smartly, important, vital, beautiful, picturesque. Smile and maintain eye contact. Confidence improves fluency naturally. Likely cue cards, September to December 2025. 1. Describe a book you read that you found useful. 2. Describe a successful sports person you admire. 3. Describe a time you saw something interesting on social media. 4. Describe a time when you told your friend an important truth. 5. Describe a good habit your friend has and you want to develop. 6. Describe an exciting activity you tried for the first time. 7. Describe a time when the electricity suddenly went off. 8. Describe a time when someone apologized to you. 9. Describe a singer whose music you like. 10. Describe an occasion when you lost your way. 11. Describe a talk you gave to a group of people. 12. Describe a city you have been to and want to visit again. 13. Describe a popular place for sports you've been to. 14. Describe a time when you saw plastic waste. 15. Describe an important decision made with others. Part 1 topics: daily routine, food and restaurants, social media, work and study, hometown, apps, music, weather. Part 3 themes: cultural identity, social media and technology, environmental awareness, aging population, communication in companies, globalization. Band 9 speaking samples. www.ielts1stop.com